It's obviously going to be a very high voting percentage because we are seeing revenge voting. And I call it revenge voting because when you have trampled on people's democratic rights for the past 5 months, where an election should be a celebration of democracy, this has been a trial of democracy and a mockery of democracy. Valid voters have been put through so much of trouble. They've had to first, we've done the enumeration forms, which was okay. 60 lakh people have been deleted at that phase. After that, valid voters, 1.3 crores, were put through the logical discrepancy process, having to stand in lines, having to prove their citizenship over and over again. Today, as we speak, 27 lakh people have been denied their franchise who are valid voters. You have seen how about 1,600 have been able to reach the tribunals, and a hit rate of over 98% have been put back on the rolls. If 98% of 1,600 people who have been managed to reach the tribunal have come back, you can imagine that out of the remaining 27 lakh, almost all would have valid voters. So this mockery of democracy, and people are going to show their protest via the ballot box.
Most of the people of Nadia and Karimpur demanding the rail facility.
So that's exactly what we've been trying to tell. We've been trying to tell the BJP. So if the BJP stood a chance here, it stands no chance here. When Honorable Mamata Banerjee was a railway minister, she had passed this and even mentioned it in the railway budget. Those days we had 2 separate budgets. There's a mention of she had mentioned this in the railway line. And for the past 12 years, I've been MP for 7 years. Even before that, my predecessor, for 12 years since the BJP has been in power, I have been protesting and shouting in Parliament, saying not just Karimpur, Tehatta, Chapra, all these 3 assemblies which are in a seat, about 10 to 12 lakh people live here. There is no railway connectivity and there is the border. We have no way. So if the BJP had any sense, they should have done the railway line. But instead, every election, they take a lollipop and they say, come vote for us, we will bring you the railway line. But they already have the railway minister, they already have the railway ministry. If they wanted to care for people, they should have done the railway line and then taken votes on that. We had no problem.
You are aware of the fight between the TMC and ISF worker in the...
Look, as you can see, I've been on the phone. I've just come to cast my vote. There is no phone allowed here. I'm going to go back and go to the control room, so then we'll solve.
You are too much confident about staying in power.
Of course we are confident about staying in power. Of course we are. We are Bengalis, is the people of Bengal. Nobody else is coming here.
Thank you.